Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's me, James Swinney, coming at you this afternoon from the NYSC. And it's a Friday, and I'm obviously full of energy. The markets, they're going to close very soon right behind me. The weekend is almost here. And despite today's late March snowstorm making its way to the Big Apple, it's time to warm things up quite a little bit. Shall we? It's almost 4 o'clock. The markets are about to close. Let's get it started early, and let's get it started right. Grab yourself a drink. It's an early Friday edition of Happy Hour here in New York City. U.S. stocks trading sharply higher this Friday afternoon as investors wait a weaker dollar and news out of Greece amid options expirations. Now, with no domestic economic reports, we first turn over to Germany as German Chancellor Angela Merkel said that Greece will indeed present a list of reforms over the next several days. Switching focus back here to the U.S., markets moved higher after Atlanta Federal Reserve President Dennis Lockhart said that he sees an interest rate liftoff by September. His own words. While on the corporate front, Bank of York Mellon making a lot of waves today after agreeing to pay $714 million in order to settle allegations of fraudulent foreign exchange practices, the Forex market. And you team that with a 2% rise in crude, a 1% jump in gold, and the US dollar edging lower against the euro. Then you have yourself a session right behind me where 5 shares advanced for every decliner. Let's now take a look to see how the markets are shaping up to not only close out the session, but the week as well. And we conclude on the corporate front and we begin with earnings. Tiffany, the iconic and expensive blue box jewelry company, reporting results before the opening bell today, and it showed a 1% drop in quarterly sales, hurt by a stronger dollar as well as weak demand during the holiday shopping season. Darden Restaurants, the home of the Olive Garden, reporting same-store sales rising 3.6% in the most recent quarter while lifting its outlook for the full year, a lot of pasta being sold. And Simon Property making its best and final offer to acquire all outstanding shares of operator Macerich for $95.50 a share in cash and Simon shares, therefore giving it an approximate value of $23.2 billion. So there you have it. Kick back, relax, grab yourself a drink, and I'll see you guys all on Monday. And stay warm. Can you believe it's snowing? I still can't. And until Monday morning from ModernWallStreet.com, I'm James Swinney.